Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about discussion email templates. We will cover what discussion email templates are, how to create them in settings, and how to use them when sending messages in TSU. Discussion email templates are saved messages that can be added with the click of a button instead of having to retype every time. Templates save me and my team so much time when communicating with guests throughout the event lifecycle. Once discussion email templates are created, they can be used by other TSU users. To create or edit templates, I need to have the appropriate settings access. I will click on Settings, scroll down to the Discussion section, and click on Discussion Email Templates. Here, I will see 6 categories of email templates. I want to be sure that I'm adding to the right category so that the appropriate email templates will show based on where I'm sending this discussion email. For example, payment templates will only appear when I'm requesting a payment on the Payments tab of an event. Lead templates will only appear to be selected when I'm responding to guests in the lead stage. They will not appear when I'm sending messages to my guest on an event. Document templates are available to send when I'm sharing documents on the Docs tab of an event. Booking templates are only for users who use the multi-events booking feature in TSU. For more information, please watch our multi-event bookings video. But if the majority of your events are single event occurrences, you will not be using booking templates. Contact templates are used specifically for emails sent from a contact, not linked to a lead, event, or booking. Only templates from this category will appear when sending a message from a contact. Most email templates will live in the event template area. These will appear for selection when I'm sending an email discussion on the Discussions tab of an event. This is where we recommend placing most of your templates. Let's start by editing a discussion email template. First, I will scroll to the category and either click on the name of the template or click the edit button. The title of the template lets other users know what this template should be used for. On the right are the locations that can access this template. Multiple locations can share the same email templates, but please note that when they do share templates, if a user made an update on this template, that change will be made for all locations sending the template moving forward. My guest will see the subject and body. The subject will come through as the header of the email. Best practice is to make sure that all email templates have a subject line. The body is going to be the content of the email. This is typically text, but can also include images, such as images of the venue, as well as links to external websites, such as a link to a private dining menu. In the body, I can see that there are some bracketed in fields. These are referred to as merge fields and can be thought of as fill in the blanks. Here, for example, the lead's name, the event date, the start time, the guest count, as well as the TSU user who is sending this email's first name, are all going to autofill automatically when selected. This helps give the email templates a more personal feel as they are all generating based on the individual lead or event information. To add a merge field, I will right-click anywhere in the body or subject text field. Here I can see my options for this template. For example, if I wanted to add the location name, I could do so by clicking into Location Fields and choosing the name. I'll notice here that there are only options to add location, current user, or lead details in this email. That is because this email can only be sent out on the lead level, so I wouldn't have the more specific event details to choose from. The same is true for contact email templates. Only merge fields for contact, account, and current user will populate. If templates include merge fields from event, location, or booking, those fields will appear blank when the email is sent. Now let's create a discussion email template. I will click the Add Template button next to the appropriate category. I will add an event template. Each email template needs a title and at least one location checked off. Next, I will detail out both the subject and body of this email. As I am typing out the body of the email, I will think about where merge fields could be dropped in. Finally, I'll drop in the first name of whoever is sending this email at the bottom. I can stylize the text as needed with options such as bold, formatting, font type, and size. These stylized changes can be used in the Discussion tab, but they're not sticky. If you have a certain font that you like to always use when emailing with guests, best practice is to create email templates using those preferences. If I want to insert a link, like to my menu, I will do so here. Finally, if I'd like a photo to be inserted into this template, maybe a photo of my space, I can do so using this icon and selecting the file from my file library. Options at the top allow me to include this email in the guest response. If this is checked off, when the guest replies within the body of my original message, it will all stay included on the thread. This is recommended to be checked off when you have a list of questions in your body that you want the guest to be able to directly respond to. Clicking the Allow Email Signature means that the user's email signature will show at the bottom of this email template when selected. I will make sure to press Save once I am done. The next time I want to send a message in the Discussions tab of an event, I will see this newly added event template is there to be selected by clicking on the Templates button. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support team.